Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to the My Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OA level. Today we shall discuss Mathematics 9709, Paper 1 Pure Mathematics, Session May June 2023, question number 4. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word My Topper Student. You will find the channel My Topper Student. For the online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. Today we shall discuss question number 4. The question number 4 is solve the equation 8x6 plus 215 x cube minus 27 equal to 0. The given question is 8x cube 6 plus 215 x cube minus 27 equal to 0, equation number 1. We shall substitute x cube equal to y. So equation number 1 becomes 8y square plus 215y minus 27 equal to 0. Using the quadratic formula, we know that the quadratic formula is y equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root over 2a. By putting the value of a, b and c, by putting the value of a, b and c in the quadratic formula, after simplification, we shall get minus 215 plus 217 over 16 minus 215 minus 217 over 16. After simplification, we get 1 over 8 and minus 27. As we know that y is equal to x cube, so y equal to 1 by 8. When y is equal to 1 by 8, we know that y equal to x cube. After simplification, we get x equal to 1 by 2. When y equal to minus 27, y is equal to x cube. After simplification, we get x equal to minus 3. So the solution of the equation is x equal to 1 by 2 and minus 3. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A-level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.